Looking for the best glue gun? In this video we'll break down the top glue guns available, whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best glue guns on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Attican Black Iron Hot Glue Gun. Looking for a general, lightweight glue gun of good quality for an affordable rate? Want a glue gun that's good on any type of craft? The Attican Black Iron Glue Gun may be just the right glue gun for you. This glue gun is lightweight yet sturdy, making it a great tool for your crafting needs. With its moderate heating temperature, this 20-watt glue gun is versatile for professional and beginner crafters. With this glue gun, you can surely repair ceramic bowls or even build a wooden boat. This hot glue gun is suitable for any standard craft building or repairs. Did we mention the glue gun comes equipped with glue sticks? Enjoy not having to make a separate purchase, as this glue gun already comes stocked with 15 glue sticks. You can get right to your project. This 4.3 out of 5-star rated glue gun is available for purchase at a great price, just under $10. Some customers have expressed concerns with this product, such as it having issues with dripping glue from its tip, and not being the best for heavy-duty projects. Nevertheless, this glue gun is good overall, and we value it for its usability and affordable price. At number 2, we have the BSTPOWER High and Low Temp Hot Glue Gun. Not sure what temperature of glue your DIY project or repair will need? Not to worry. The BSTPOWER glue gun provides you with an easy solution and features adjustable temperature control, allowing you to control between a high and low temperature at any time. The temperatures range between 212 degrees to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, and the glue heats up in less than 5 minutes. You'll never have to worry about not knowing what glue temperatures you need for your project again. Not to mention, this glue gun is equipped with an interchangeable non-drip nozzle, perfect for various projects and a mess-free experience. The design of this 4.5 out of 5-star glue gun is also commendable, with it being light in weight and featuring an easy squeeze trigger. The rubber coating on the glue gun makes for easier cleaning, and it comes with a detachable stand and a 5.5-inch cord length. Some customers have expressed problems with the product not heating properly and even being too light, making it flimsy. However, you won't have to fear any risks when purchasing this product, as it is backed with a lifetime warranty and a money-back guarantee policy. Overall, this affordable glue gun has proven itself to be the perfect, interchangeable tool for your school, office, or home projects. At number 3, we have the Bluesmart 100-watt Industrial Hot Melt Glue Gun. There are only a few times when you encounter a product that has almost everything you need. The Bluesmart 100-watt glue gun is one of those products, and it has so many features that make it a great addition to our list. The glue gun features PTC heating technology, allowing for glue to heat up in approximately 3 minutes. The industrial hot glue gun also comes with an on-off power light, an ergonomic design trigger, and an insulated and interchangeable nozzle. This glue gun is noted as one of the best industrial hot glue gun choices for its 100-watt heating power and high temperature. This glue gun is also versatile in what it can be used for. It is noted as an ideal tool for any home, office, or factory project, including glass, metal, ceramic, fabric, and more. This 4.5 out of 5-star rated glue gun also comes with 10 glue sticks featuring strong adhesive and easy cleaning properties. Some customers have stated, however, that the glue gets too hot and at times the glue tends to not squeeze out properly. Nevertheless, most people view this product in a positive light for its versatility and industrial standards. So many people like it, it's an Amazon bestseller. At number 4, we have the MELTOX Dual-Watt Hot Melt Glue Gun. MELTOX shows that it takes home projects and crafts seriously with this glue gun and kit. This glue gun comes with a dual wattage heating option that makes it a low and high temp glue gun at the same time. The glue gun is also protected with thermal insulation, preventing it from overheating, featuring 2 LED lights to indicate which wattage it is set to. It's easy to read. The MELTOX glue gun comes with a lengthy 4-foot 7-inch cord and includes 12 extra long glue sticks in standard diameter. Did we mention this glue gun kit comes with a complimentary ebook? If you are in need of new project ideas or want to do a cool DIY, you can refer to your new ebook for new things to create with your glue gun. Rated 4.4 out of 5 stars, this glue gun comes at an affordable price of just around $15. The only concerns some customers have noted are that, though long in length, the cord isn't to their liking, and the 3-prong plug the glue gun features isn't very accommodating to customers looking for an easy plug-in process. Nevertheless, this affordable product shows how versatile and well-equipped it is, making it a great addition to our list. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the Meltronic Industrial Electric Melt Glue Gun. Okay, so we'll get the negatives out of the way first by saying this glue gun is fairly new in the world of glue guns, and certainly isn't the gun you need if you're working on a heavy-duty project. With that said, the Meltronic industrial glue gun still proves itself worthy in the industry for domestic uses and in-home crafting projects. The electric melt glue gun features a reasonable 80-watt heating power, meaning it provides a commendable high temperature. This glue gun even comes equipped with a safety fuse for enhanced protection, showing it can be quite a dependable little tool. Did we mention this product's price yet? This glue gun is available for purchase at the low price of just $8. This is the cheapest price we've come across among all the products listed here. The currently 5-star rated product creates a great bond with many of your projects, including paper, fabric, wood, plastic, metal, ceramics, and more. The only problem we've noted is that it must be unplugged immediately after you are finished using it, and does not feature any anti-overheating mechanisms. Regardless of that, this glue gun is the perfect tool for your home and school projects. So that sums up our top glue guns of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.